Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Angie BTV, and today I'm going to be talking to you about triple masking. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Angie BTV, and of course thumbs up if you like the video. So, what is triple masking? Triple masking is basically using 3 specific masks, one after the other, for basically better results. So most of the time when you use a mask, you're just using one face mask and that's it. Put it on, leave it on there for 10-15 minutes, and then you wash it off. But that's it. But that's not what we're doing today. We're going to be doing 3 masks today, and I'm going to be letting you know the specifics about each mask. You have an exfoliating mask, a deep cleansing or detoxifying mask, and then you have a hydrating mask. I used all 3, and my skin, it felt super soft. It was really like plump and glowy. I'm going to show you guys how I use each of my different masks that I have, but you can use whichever ones that you like to use yourself, as long as there's 3 involved. Exfoliating. So most of the time I use my Skin Plus Pharmacy scrub, and this is what you normally use. It's not necessarily like a mask for the first one. It's literally just an exfoliator where you just leave it on your face for a little bit. It's like your exfoliating cleanser basically. So I use either my Skin Plus Pharmacy scrub, or I just use my spin brush that I got from Vanity Planet. And then next is the deep cleansing and detoxifying mask. So that mask I use my mask from Moella Beauty, and it's called New Skin Who Dis. And basically it's like when you mix it's like a clay mask, and you mix that with water, or you can use apple cider vinegar if you like, but I just use water, and I pretty much put it on my face with a makeup brush. As you can see, I put it all over my face, and I leave that one on for about 20 minutes because that's going to get out all the gunk and all the nasty stuff from out of your pores. The third mask is the hydrating mask. Now this one I use the Yes to Tomatoes hydrating sheet mask, and those are the ones where you just like kind of lay on your face, and they come in different types. I've had some that look like tigers and cats and whatever other weird looking things that are on these masks, but those are the ones that you usually keep on your face. You don't rinse them off because you want all of that good stuff in the sheet mask to be absorbed into your face. Exfoliating mask, then you want to do a detox mask, and then you want to do the hydrating mask. All 3 of those face masks should leave your face super soft, super shiny, super glowy, and extra plump. At least that's what it did to my skin, and this was the first time that I had ever used it, and I have very sensitive skin, so it didn't do anything to my skin. My skin wasn't burning or nothing like that. So just make sure that whatever type of the skin type that you have, make sure that you use things that are geared towards, you know, your skin type. If you guys have used it, let me know what are your results, and if it's your first time using it, let me know how it went as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Angie BTV and thumbs up if you like the video.